Hello everyone. Today I'm taking up first chapter of your supplementary book of class 10th, Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. Uh, as we can see here, the title of this chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, it means someone was ill and got cured. Now let's find out who was ill and why, what was the illness and who cured him and how. So we have to get answer of all these questions uh, after the explanation of this chapter. Let's talk about the author of this chapter, James Herriot. James Herriot, the author, was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experiences as a vet surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. He is well known for his semi autobiographical works, so it is one of them. So let's see what the chapter is all about. The introduction part. The story has been written by James Herriot. The subject of the story is a pet dog which is spoiled by its owner. The owner indulges her dog so much with food and other comforts that the dog has become overweight and cannot even walk properly. Finally, the dog has taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. How did you do this? We will come to know later at the time of explanation. So, this is only the introduction part. The dog is left with all other dogs so that it can play and get the much needed physical exercise. Earlier, he could not get that physical exercise, that's why he became lazy. After a period of enough physical activities, the dog loses much of its fat and becomes hale and hearty. Apparently, this is simple story with simple subject, but if we try to read between the words, this story has much significance for our life as well. It gives us Mrs. Moral the story has. You'll see many kids who are overweight and spoiled because their parents just try to meet every demand of kid. The kid develops into a couch potato which is not good for his life. The key points, these are the main points, highlighting points of this chapter. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. He was greedy and loved food but no exercise. Means give him food anytime, day or night, he will never say no to it. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pumphrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. She could not, diagnose the problem. Mrs. Pumphrey was a wealthy woman. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between meals to build him up because she realized that he was suffering from malnutrition. That's why she started giving something extra like malt, cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks at night. She gave him lot to eat but no exercise. Once he became ill and she was worried and made a frantic call to Herriot, who was a vet doctor. James already had given suggestions regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but he never followed it. Earlier, when doctor paid a visit to the lady, he advised her not to give the dog any more sweet, but she could not do that. He was a vet doctor. He was shocked to see Tricky hugely fat, like a bloated sausage, with a leg at each corner. So he advised her to cut down on the sweet things. Here the term bloated sausage, bloated means something excessive in size, and sausage, it's an item of food. So he expected call from within a few days, and it happened. The doctor, because seeing the dog, seeing his state, he expected that in future or in days to come he may get a call from her. He was called by Mrs. Pumphrey as Tricky refused to eat. He told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery for a fortnight. There he gave him no food, no medicine, but plenty of water. This way he treated Tricky, the dog. Gradually he mixed with other dogs and started playing with them. Actually, earlier he was not, physically active, being at home, being with Mrs. Pumphrey. But now, when doctor took him and he took him to the hospital, he started giving him all such things, physical exercise he had to do. He had a lot of exercise and fun at the surgery. He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscle dog. James Herriot treated the dog without medicine or surgery. He was happy and filled with gratitude. She thanked Herriot and said it a triumph of surgery. Summary. The chapter is all about Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich and emotional lady who has a cute pet called Tricky. She loved him so much that she overfed him. Yeah, it is not fair. She loved him so much that she overfed him. Over pampering, overfeeding, it's never good. Tricky had put on a lot of weight, which made him lethargic. When Dr. Herriot saw the fat dog like blotted sauces, he was shocked. He made a plan and told Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky needed treatment for an ailment which was possible only in hospital. Thus he realized what to be done, and he made up his mind what to be done with the dog. But he kept it secret. He did not tell it to Mrs. Pumphrey what he was going to do with the dog. The doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey would not be able to keep the dog on a proper diet. That's why he wanted to take the dog to the hospital at least for 15 days. When the greedy dog went to the hospital, he had to remain hungry. If he was slow to approach for food, means he had to strive for food to get food. He was given food at fixed intervals. He fixed time to get food. Soon he shed off a lot of his body weight and became quite active. When Tricky was at home, he was pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey. He had a luxurious life. There were certain people to take care of the dog. By Mrs. Pumphrey and other people, he had luxurious life when he was served with ice cream, cake, chocolate, Horlicks. But when he came to the doctor, he became all right. When Mrs. Pumphrey saw her active dog, she thanked the doctor and felt that it was a triumph of surgery. So this is the title. After seeing the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey, she said, yeah, it was a triumph of surgery because her dog was ill and anyhow he got cured by the doctor. Let's talk about the important characters of this chapter. Mrs. Pumphrey, she was a wealthy woman. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between meals to build him up, like malt, cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks at night. She gave him a lot to eat but no exercise. Once he became ill and she was worried and made a frantic call to Herriot, who was a veterinary doctor. James already gave suggestions regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. The role of doctor, he plays very vital role here in this chapter. He was a vet doctor. He was shocked to see hugely fat like a blotted sausage with a leg at each corner. He already advised her to cut down on the sweet things. He expected call within a few days and it was happened. Yeah, he seeing the dog, he guessed that he would be called sooner or later. He was called, and as Tricky refused to eat, he told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery for a fortnight, where he gave him no food because he diagnosed the problem and he chalked out all the plan what to be done with him. He gave him plenty of water to drink, and gradually he mixed with other dogs and started playing with him. He had a lot of exercise and fun at the surgery. Now, what was the triumph of surgery? He was, dog's recovery. Earlier he was very fat, but now after 15 days he recovered. He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscle dog. James Harriet treated the dog without medicine or surgery. She was happy and filled with gratitude after seeing her dog. She thanked Harriet and said it was a triumph of surgery. Tricky, the whole story revolves around the dog Tricky. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Uh, but he do not do any exercise. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pumphrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. So, dear students, let's talk about the moral of the chapter. It means the chapter gives a moral, and the moral is that everything, even food, if given more than it is required, it will harm the body. But if in time you come into proper routine, that problem can be resolved without any surgery. The theme of the story is about the blind love which we possess for one whom we love for the most. Excessive love can take the form of extreme consequences, so it's never advised, it should not be practiced. Mrs. Pumphrey, as you know, she had no idea that her blind and extreme love for her dog Tricky take him to trouble. She had no idea. Let's talk about James Harriot. He treats the dog with care and love. He realizes that the dog is not suffering from any major illness, but it's just greedy and overfed. He therefore does not overindulge or fuss over him, but treats him like all the other household dogs at surgery, and by this way he cured the dog. So I hope you liked it. If you have any question, you can ask me by texting me. Thank you so much.